Let me tell you something you won't hear from your favorite influencer. Most people will never get rich from investing because they treat the stock market like a casino, not a wealth machine. They chase the next hot stock, panic sell when things fall, and then wonder why investing doesn't work. But here's the truth. Investing does work if you do. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make your money grow. The way the rich actually do it. The biggest mistake new investors make is thinking investing is about getting rich fast. It's not. It's about never being poor again. Investing is not a game of excitement. It's a game of patience. The stock market is a wealth transfer machine. It takes money from the impatient and gives it to the patient. Warren Buffett doesn't win because he's smarter than you. He wins because he's willing to wait longer than you. The rich don't time the market. They own it. They don't care about whether Tesla goes up today or down tomorrow. They care about owning great businesses that grow over time. Every time you buy a share of a company, you're not just buying a number on a screen. You're buying a piece of a business, its profits, its future. The average millionaire doesn't have 100 trades a month. They have long-term conviction. They understand one simple rule. If you wouldn't hold a stock for 10 years, don't hold it for 10 minutes. Most people underestimate compounding, and that's why they never build real wealth. Let's say you invest $500 a month in an S&P 500 index fund that averages 10% per year. In 30 years, that's not $180,000. It's over $1 million. That's the power of time and consistency. Not luck, not timing, not some magic crypto coin, just discipline. Einstein called compounding the eighth wonder of the world, and he was right, because most people never live long enough financially to see its magic work. Never invest in what you don't understand. That's rule number one. The fastest way to lose money is to chase something just because it's trending. If you don't get it, skip it. Rule number two, automate your investing. The best investors remove emotion. Set up automatic investments every month. Rain or shine, market up or down. Rule number three, play long-term games. The longer your timeline, the less risky investing becomes. Time is your biggest asset, not money. Every new investor faces three emotions: fear, greed, and doubt. Fear makes you sell too early. Greed makes you buy too late. Doubt makes you do nothing at all. You have to master your emotions, or your emotions will master your wallet. The best investors are not the smartest ones. They're the most disciplined. Investing won't make you rich overnight, but it will make you free for life. Every dollar you invest is a soldier working for your freedom. The earlier you start, the bigger your army grows. So stop waiting for the perfect time. The perfect time was yesterday. The second best time is right now. The market rewards patience, discipline, and courage. The poor wait for the right moment. The rich create it. So invest smart, stay consistent, and let time do what it does best: make you wealthy.